Hello, everyone. Margot Saulnier here from New Bedford Creative and ArtWeek South Coast. And I'm going to walk you through a tutorial on how to add us as a collaborator on Instagram. And there's two ways that you can do it. The first is adding us after the fact, meaning you've already created your post or reel and you've posted it to your account on Instagram, and you can add us after you've already posted. And then the other way is to add us before, as you are creating your content, you can add us before you post. And either way, that will send us an invitation to be a collaborator, which we will accept. We will accept all collaborations along the South Coast if you are doing arts and culture programming during Art Week South Coast, which is May 8th through 18, 2025, or before or after. We are looking for content. So it's another way to reach more followers, to get them interested into your exhibits, programs, events, and workshops. So here we go. We're on the Art Week South Coast homepage, and I'm going to first run you through how it works if you already have a post. So I've already created this post, and I'm going to click edit. And then once I'm in edit, I'm going to click the top part where the collaborators are and or the tagged people. And you'll see right there, it says invite collaborators. So I'm going to click on invite collaborators. And then for this example, I'm going to click visit Southeastern Massachusetts Visitors Bureau because they are promoting all events in Bristol County. So once I have that, I will click done, and that invitation will be sent out to either anyone who you click on. The next instant is I'm going to create a new post. This is going to be a post. It's going to be a carousel. So there's multiple photos that I'm going to include. I'm scrolling through my phone's camera and photos, and I'm going to click on the new MFA exhibit by UMass Dartmouth's College of Visual and Performing Arts. I was there taking photos at the New Bedford Whaling National Historical Park. So I am going to create my post how I normally would, and then I will show you how to add collaborators. I have 8 photos that I'm posting. I'm not going to opt to do any edits of it. I'm going to go right to the caption, and I'm writing in to visit this. It's a wonderful exhibition of MFA students. And I'm searching right now because I do want to tag CVPA for UMass. So I don't know exactly the username, so I searched it. There it is. And it says invite to collaborate. And I clicked on invite to collaborate. So now I'm continuing my description of the event, and it's at the New Bedford Whaling National Historical Park. So I'm going to search for them too, because I know they have an Instagram. And there we go. I look down New Bedford NPS, and I'm going to invite them to collaborate as well. So when you're doing your posts, please add at ArtWeek South Coast as a collaborator. So I'm going to just finish this up real quick, and then I'm going to go to the next one. And here's another way when you go into tag people, that's another way right there. It says invite collaborators. I'm going to invite New Bedford Creative, and then I'm going to just move that down so it's not blocking any of the artwork. And that's another way that you can add a collaborator. So there's just lots of options to add collaborators. If this is for Art Week South Coast, that's our username, Art Week South Coast. So then I just finish up and I'm all set to post, and then it'll automatically invite us. Thank you so much for this tutorial. If you have any other questions, please reach out, nbcreative@nbedc.edu. artweeksouthcoast.org, and make sure you get your events up on our website at artweeksouthcoast.org. Thanks and have a great day.